reminiscing about the past, back in the day when you and I were one. Nothing in the world could cover up the sun. Looking up into the stars and wondering who we are. I'm living in the past, looking out for a glimpse of you. Searching high and low and asking why and how. The best stint in my life had to go, and wow, I'm left alone with an incurable condition for the last 5 years. It's my song rendition. Coming up with a bomb bass and you give chase to the rhymes I be bringing to the mic in your face. What you gonna do when I come for you? Call you out to the stage with a battle for two. Don't choke on the bamber weed, cause you better have it all on the floor indeed. I come spitting fire, killing your desire, so you better be prepared to be calling me sire. You never close your eyes when I kiss your lips anymore. Why did you have to change your blissful ways? Unfazed by the way you praise, amazed by the things you used to do to craze. All them males out there, all them players out there, you had them in the palm of your hands and didn't care. But now it's all gone, and all that's left is a cold-hearted girl like ice and so deaf.
Let me tell you why I call baby girl my lady. When it's me against the world, I always got my lady. True love is priceless, and so is my lady. She not just another woman, she my lady. Let me tell you why I call baby girl my lady. When it's me against the world, I always got my lady. True love is priceless, and so is my lady. She not just another woman, she my lady.